Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset JBL Tune Flex. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step to consider. You have two options for that. First, using the JBL headphone app. Make sure both earbuds are connected. Ensure that both earbuds are in the charging case and turn on. In the second step, open the JBL headphones app. Open the JBL headphones app on your smartphone. In the third step, select your earbuds. Select your JBL Tune Flex earbuds from the list of connected devices. In the fourth step, go to support. Scroll down to the bottom of the app and select support. In the fifth step, reset to factory settings. Choose the reset to factory settings option. In the sixth step, confirm reset. Confirm the reset by following the on-screen instructions. Let's look at the second option, manual reset. Make sure both earbuds are connected. Ensure that both earbuds are in the charging case and turn on. In the second step, tap the right earbud 3 times. Double tap the button on the right earbud. Then on the third tap, press and hold the button for more than 5 seconds until the unit shut off. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.